yeah, we're making a few changes, and shut. Right, guys, we're in Ireland currently, having a look at a property, and if I can get the camera to stand still on the ledge, you'll have better footage. All right, but anyway, we're doing a few changes. I'm going to be showing you a Derelict property that I'm looking at. It's been standing for about 50 or 70 years empty. So house prices in Ireland will start coming down. The banks have risen their interest rates a bit. But I think let me take you through it and then let's have a look. Welcome back, guys. Today's video is going to be something completely different. We are in Ireland and we're having a look at some derelict properties to buy, and this is our first one, and it needs a complete makeover. But let me take you through it and have a look at what's on offer. This property comes with 2 acres, and currently Ireland is having a huge housing problem. There's a friend of mine's car that we got. Yes, I'm on insurance at least. This is a 2-bedroomed, not sure even if you can call it a cottage or what do you want to call it, but it has 2 acres on this side, and the owner of the premises, I think, have 13 acres to the other side. Now this needs a lot of work. It's got a septic tank, it's got it's got at least a power line to it, but that's about it. It is really in dire need of work, a lot. But let's quickly have a look. I understand why, and I think I understand why most properties that I've seen in Ireland have a bunch of things lying within. You have to pay to get things thrown away in Europe, and I think most people just dump it here. But that's just my thoughts. This is supposed to be a kitchen, and there's a ceiling. Now, you would most probably think I'm insane to take on a project like this. But we are relocating to Europe, and obviously I'll be renting something before we move into something like this. But the other good thing, or maybe not a good thing, with house prices being insane, is that the AIB bank has pushed up the interest rates a bit, and this will actually cause house prices to come down. I'm not sure it's going to be a 2008 collapse of house prices, who knows? I think time will tell. But at least the demand on the housing in Ireland should come down a bit. Also other factors, especially with Ukraine. But okay, here I'm not even going to walk in. Seems a bit rotten there. But yeah, this will be a nice project. I'd like to see the comments, guys. I know this is a motorcycle channel, but as I said, we're making some changes in our lives, and I love the country. Being EU citizens, it's not going to be as big of a problem to move as it would have been. I'm not yet sure why. this is boxed out. So let me have a look downstairs why this section is boxed out. Maybe it was a chimney, I don't know. But let's quickly have a look downstairs and see what we can see. There used to be something here. That's a lot of work, people. It's a lot of work. Let me show you the place from outside. So you have a central chimney. Go have a look inside. Let's stand a bit there. Oh, there's a better view of the whole place. And as I said, it comes with 2 acres. Doesn't seem to be marshland or anything. Just a bit more on the video. We had a look at one derelict property so far. We'll see more, see what that pans out. Having a look at a house as well. Just a bit about Ireland itself. Dublin, the city that never sleeps, and it doesn't sleep. That place has got traffic every day, 24/7. Very interesting city. People from all walks of life that you meet there. It's literally all walks of life that you can see there. And everybody's busy, everybody's going, everybody's coming. It's just a very busy town. Property prices in Dublin itself are really extreme. But we'll see how the market pans out. I mean, what goes up must come down, and that's just a fact. But if you are wanting to relocate, Ireland is a very nice country. Lots of things to see, lots of things to do. And the one thing that I love about this country, everybody does the right thing. And when I say that is that, for instance, on a walkway, a traffic light, people will stand and wait until the little man is green before they walk. This is something I had to get used to a bit, because in our previous country people just do whatever they want to. But as I said, if you want to relocate, you can have a look at Ireland. We had a nice, interesting adventure going up to Northern Ireland. If you don't know it, I wasn't used to it. You have your cell phone and you start driving from the Republic of Ireland up to Northern Ireland, and your signal gets lost because your number does not work in Northern Ireland. So if you're following GPS going to Belfast or one of those places, make sure that you have coverage across the border as well, because your GPS will lose signal. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please, as always, comment plenty. I would love to hear your comments and review. I've got a few people, one or two people that contacted me from the UK. Well, I still need to go and have a look at the Africa Twin on that side. But I'm finding my feet. We are doing things. We'll see how that pans out within the next 3-4 weeks. Keep watching out for new episodes. This will become interesting. Right, but until later, safe travels wherever you may go, and I'll catch you on the next video. Like and subscribe and comment. Need comments, people, a lot. Thank you. Bye bye.